please push yourself, you have to be out there. So I started theatre because of her. Then she took me to my first ever audition, which was for Flames. जब मैंने वहाँ पे भी मना कर दिया था कि I met Karan Johar sir, and everybody had such nice. I mean, I have always known they are beautiful human beings. They are amazing actors, but they're beautiful human beings. And I was just howling. I was bawling my eyes out because it really felt like goodbye. It felt like a हो गया. ये लोग इतनी मस्ती करते थे ना सेट पे कि मेरा काम इतना मुश्किल कर देते थे दोनों के दोनों कि मैं अभी हंस रही हूँ, अब एकदम से एक्शन बोल दे कि अब मैं अरे यार रुको 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 मुझे टाइम दो.
Hello everyone, this is Aina and welcome to Instant Bollywood. I'm in conversation with Tanya Maniktala for the film Kill. So nice to have you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me, Aina.
And I have to start off by saying that I watched the film and I really liked it. Did not know that I would like a genre like this, but it was surprising that what the audience feels by the end of the film. I went for the press show and I have to tell you, we were clapping.
Oh yeah!
By the end of the film. And I want to start off by asking, how did this project happen to you?
So I was actually shooting for Toothpari at the time, and then Casting Bay got in touch with me. Kritarth from Casting Bay got in touch with me, and he said that it's regarding this one project. It's a Sikhya production, and I think you would fit the role very well. So I'm sending you a scene. Could you please send a self-test or something like that? I was like, okay, okay, cool, let's do that. So I did that. I sent in the test, and then I didn't hear back from them for a very long time. Which now Nikhil sir is telling me, he just told me yesterday at the premiere that things were happening and some things were happening. Nikhil sir is a very good friend of one of my previous directors, Deb Aloy sir, who I had worked with on P.I. Meena.
And what was it like जब आपको पहली बार पता चला that you're on this project for
I
good?
was so thrilled because I read the script, and even though the character that I play has a smaller part, but she is so crucial to the story and how the emotions basically are catalyzed. So that I felt like was one thing I could play with. And I was so kicked because Laksh was getting on board, and Laksh I had heard so much about, from Dostana to Bhed Dhadak and all of those things. But unfortunately those didn't pan out. But I'm so happy because he got this start to his debut. Like it's amazing, and I think that everything happens for a reason. So this was meant to be like that.
जब आपको पहली बार पता चला that you have banners like Dharma and Shikhya Entertainment जो काफ़ी बड़े हैं and renowned, and it's also there's going to be a remake of the film. ये काफ़ी बड़ी चीज़ें हो रही है. कभी ऐसा लगा it's too good to be true with whatever is happening?
नहीं यार, how can it be too good to be true? Because इतनी मेहनत करी है. Like these boys have been at it for like months, like 9 months, 8 months of training. So it is very well deserved, and I think I'm just trying to remind everybody to process it, because everybody is so taken up कि अच्छा ठीक है इतना सब कुछ हो रहा है, and it's so easy to just get lost in these emotions कि अच्छा ठीक है हाँ हो गया, but you never fully absorb it. So it's I'm trying to remind myself to just be present. सांस लो, हो गया अब खत्म, now it's time to actually enjoy it.
How did you have your first inclination towards acting? What made you say yes कि मुझे ये industry में try करनी है? Because काफ़ी unpredictable industry है.
Yeah, I have to say. But it was my sister actually who pushed me towards acting. मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा shy इंसान हूँ. मतलब I grew up in a joint family, and out of the 4 of us, I have 3 other siblings. Out of the 4 of us, मैं एक कोने में हमेशा चुपचाप बैठी रहती थी. Like today also when I meet people from my childhood वगैरह, बोलते हैं you were the least like the last person who would come up and talk to anybody, क्योंकि मैं बस चुपचाप, मुझे अच्छा लगता था दूर से देखना सबको ऐसा. But like being in front of the camera, I never thought I could do that. I started theatre when I was in college because again मेरी बहन का बहुत मन था कि तू ये कर. और वो हमेशा like I love being challenged. That is one thing about me कि वो बोलती थी कि तुझे क्या लगता है कि तेरा हो जाएगा, तू ऑडिशन भी नहीं देगी और तेरा हो जाएगा थिएटर में. बिकॉज आई वॉज, मैंने बोला उनको व्हेन द ऑडिशंस आर हैपनिंग कि मैं नहीं जाऊँगी, मुझे डर लग रहा है, बहुत सारे लोग बैठे हुए होता है। मैंने बोला कि तू जाएगी स्टेज पे और सब क्या बस तुझे ही देखते रहेंगे क्या? लाइक पर दीदी मुझे डर लग रहा है। शी इज लाइक प्लीज पुश योर सेल्फ, यू हैव टू बी आउट देयर। So I started theatre because of her. Then she took me to my first ever audition, which was for Flames. जब मैंने वहाँ पे भी मना कर दिया था कि क्योंकि nobody in my family comes from an acting background or the industry. So for them it's and I was always into academics. तो उनके लिए हाँ न्यू भी था and it was a little startling कि ये the quietest of the lot has taken up a job which is so out of her comfort zone. तो Didi took me to that audition. Flame season 1 happened, did well. Second season happened, did well. Third season, fourth season happened. Then Suitable Boy also happened in the meantime when I was applying for my masters actually.
Wow.
Yeah, so my sister moved away to Australia, but she still made me do this one, Suitable also. So it's basically all been her.
Credit to your sister.
Thanks, Didi.
That is so sweet. Like you have a
I have a very
woman
strong,
who's like empowering you every day.
She's my pillar of strength.
Chase your dreams. Are you from Bombay?
I'm from Delhi.
Did you ever find it difficult to adjust to the Bombay culture and everything that happens here in this city?
Bombay बहुत welcoming है यार. Like I used to feel very overwhelmed in my earlier days. Like when I used to come to Bombay, या तो because I felt a little out of place and everything was so new to me. तो मुझे थोड़ा सा मतलब time लगा उस चीज़ को adjust करने में. But I have seen that people here are so helpful. They're so welcoming, very professional also at the same time. But I think now I've gotten a little better at just handling myself in the situations.
But did you आपने ऐसा एक phase कभी महसूस किया where you were struggling a lot, जहाँ काम नहीं मिल रहा था जो आपने expect किया था फ्लेम्स के सक्सेस के बाद, या जैसे आपने कहा सूटेबल बॉय, पर उन दोनों के बीच जो गैप होती है एक एक्टर के लिए काफ़ी डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है बिकॉज यू डोंट नो कि व्हाट्स नेक्स्ट
और इफ देयर इज
अ नेक्स्ट, एंड स्पेशली जैसे आपने कहा कि you were planning to do your masters and then you get a project. You are giving up your years to kind of think.
So I think my parents also struggled with that for a very long time. Ki post this first season of Flames and the second season of Flames, I had told my director Apoor sir also कि अब मेरा हो गया सब, क्योंकि it is such an unpredictable world in this industry that we are working in कि आपको नहीं पता आपका अगला प्रोजेक्ट क्या होगा, कैसा होगा, होगा नहीं होगा, कुछ नहीं पता होता. तो मुझे था कि because I come from a business family कि I want to go for something that is more stable, that I can feel secure in. So that was my thing. And पर इतना ज़्यादा, and I was working as a copywriter actually. After my graduation I started working as a copywriter, and then I was applying for my masters at the same time. तो मैंने वो वाला life भी experience किया है, from a corporate job working a 9 to 5 and everything, or a 9 to 9 or whatever those hours are. And as much as I enjoyed being in that setting also, it did not give me this satisfaction. So there was something still missing that I felt like अब एक बारी चख लिया है ना ये, तो फिर बहुत मुश्किल होता है इसको छोड़ना. So that was my thing. But I think everybody goes through that phase where they're really unsure about what is going to pan out for them next. But I will always believe that God has a plan for everybody.
Absolutely.
And things will fall into place. They might take time, but they'll happen at the right time when you really need them.
And I feel like with Kill, you're one step closer to the commercial Bollywood side, so. Because it's a mixture of, when Dharma comes, tab aap wo side pe aa hi jate ho kahin na kahin. Was it very overwhelming to be on that side, and like just we spoke about the screening of camera, just to have the entire industry come for your film?
I know. I'm still getting goosebumps.
Yeah, it's a little surreal for someone who's encountering that for the very first time in their life.
It was really overwhelming.
Yeah,
but in the nicest possible way.
Absolutely. How was that, feeling to just sit in the Dharma office or probably speak to Guneet Mongia, who's like done some fantastic work and made the country so proud. Also sit with Karan Johar, where people are dying to work with him. Oh my God.
Yeah. I was meeting my icons there. I met Vicky Kaushal sir, I met Karan Johar sir, and everybody had such nice. I mean, I have always known they are beautiful human beings. They are amazing actors, but they're beautiful human beings. And to just witness that in person, मैं तो अपनी मतलब पता नहीं कौन से थैंक यू but I was really living my dream. Like 12-year-old Tanya, 18-year-old Tanya could have never imagined that.
Yeah. Did
So,
anyone come up to you
yeah,
last night and speak to you?
everybody is so sweet. Everybody was so kind, and everybody had such good things to say. I met Vicky sir. He was praising the film. He was praising the performances, appreciating everything. I met. Oh my God! I don't want to name drop. Yeah, it feels so weird.
It's okay. It's a good thing.
Yeah, I know, but still, there was Karishma ma'am, Karishma Tanna ma'am, Rakul was there, everybody had, Sunny Kaushal was there,
Yeah.
Abhay, he was doing so well in his own Munja,
yeah.
he was there, he was complimenting the film, Rohit is a friend, he came to show his support, everybody was there, Ananya Pandey and
Janhvi Kapoor we saw.
Yeah, but it was so surreal कि ये हो रहा है क्या? ये हो रहा है क्या? It was really nice.
How was Raghav and Lakshay at the same time? Because जब मैंने राघव से भी last time बात की, for him also, Raghav went MIA, मतलब missing in action for a few years because he was seen a lot. और राघव का formula ये था कि मैं बहुत दिख रहा हूँ, मुझे थोड़ा गायब होना है और ऐसे comeback करना है कि सब चौंक जाए और that's exactly what's happened. And even for Lakshay at the same time, two big projects back to back did not work out. So there were a lot of expectations, I'm so sure, for him also. How was the vibe for all three of you on set? Did you all ever discuss कि ये हमारे लिए कितना बड़ा है, or just be vulnerable with each other at any point?
All the time, because I think that is what shows in your characters. When you're really comfortable with each other, you can really play around. So Lakshay and I started our workshops together, but Raghav and I never met before we started shooting, because Nikhil sir ka ye tha process that we'll keep you all separate, the goons away and the good guys away, and jo set pe hoga wo dekhenge. So that was Lakshay and I, we used to read our scenes together in the workshops, but we used to hang out also after that, and just because he was also, I mean, he's not new to the industry, but for him also, he's carrying a lot of responsibility on his shoulders, that he's been a part of such huge announcements, but then it didn't pan out for him for whatever reasons. But so you kind of start, you know, losing that sense of self. So I was also, I felt like I was doing a lot of series and everything, but something huge like a movie, something that I wanted wasn't panning out. So I was just like waiting for kitna wait karna hai, like how, when does that happen? So for both of us, it was this spurt that we really had to do something with the opportunity that has been given to us. So that was always like in the back of our heads कि करके दिखाते हैं यार, बहुत सा करेंगे, अमृत ही नहीं करता है उसके लिए, पर हाँ तुलका फाड़ देंगे और ऐसे ही चलता था. So it was very good.
I feel जो scene आपके लिए सबसे crucial था was definitely the killing scene. What was the prep or brief for that particular scene? और वो काफ़ी, मतलब जब हमने देखा है वो slow mo में दिखाया है काफ़ी, but वो shoot कैसे होता है exactly? I'm just trying to understand that.
Prosthetics happen, जो खून वगैरह होता था, तो there was पहले prosthetics, उनके अलग costume, मतलब like costume में उन्होंने अंदर से pipes वगैरह कुछ to draw the blood out. अगर आप एक उस particular point पे ही मानना है, क्योंकि वहीं पे वो slit है जहाँ से आपको puncture कर पाओगे and all of those things. So Raghav also had to be very technical with those things, but at the same time, both of us had to emote so much. So I just remember कि at one point I was very lost in the technicality कि अच्छा ठीक है हाँ, और है यार थोड़ा सा अलग है with slow mo and everything, जो मुझे नहीं realize हुआ था कि अच्छा इसमें you have to exaggerate even more. I was playing it very real कि हाँ ऐसे हुआ जो भी हुआ, And then Nikhil sir came to me and he's like, you have to make it cinematic. It's going to be like for the big screen.
Yeah.
It's slow. Every movement of yours
It's
is
gonna be
captured.
seen,
Yeah.
Especially
so
wo jo haath aata
yeah.
hai.
So all of that you have to take a note of. But at the same time, remember, this is the love of your life. And Lakshya was standing right in front, like through the glass door. He was there, and he was so in his character. He was beaten up, bruised, and Nikhil sir just told me कि he's the love of your life. You're saying goodbye to him. This is the last time you're seeing him. फिर से goosebumps.
I mean, I'm getting goosebumps for this one. Yeah.
And he said, अब उसको bye बोलना है. And I started crying.
Yeah.
I have no idea, or I couldn't stop. Even after cut was called, I went to the van and I was just howling. I was bawling my eyes out because it really felt like goodbye. It felt like हो गया.
हो गया. Yeah.
And then Laksh came to the van and he's like, bro, are you okay? And I was like, हाँ, सब ठीक है, just give me a bit. And then, मतलब, it turned out to be the way it did. So I'm just happy.
Was Laksh also very good with switch on, switch off of
Very
the camera?
good, very good.
मतलब I feel आप जब character में हो, आप character में ही
Yeah.
हो. But I feel Rakshan Raghav are very
ये लोग
good
इतनी
set-
मस्ती करते थे ना सेट पे कि मेरा काम इतना मुश्किल कर देते थे दोनों के दोनों कि मैं अभी हंस रही हूँ, अब एकदम से एक्शन बोलते हैं कि अब मैं अरे यार रुको 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 मुझे टाइम दो.
Lastly, गुनीत मैम के साथ अगर कुछ
Oh, she's a sweetheart.
बात हुई है.
It's just so nice to see women being in such power positions and delivering back to back time and again, time and again, time and
Amazing.
again. So she's such an inspiration for me, and to be associated with her, to be working on this project with her. I remember she came in during one of our readings. Lakshya and I were reading, and I got so nervous. I was
Yeah.
like, oh no, अरे अब मुझे अब मैं ढंग से करूँगी हाँ
Yeah.
ऐसा. But no. She was so supportive through all of it. She was there on set, just cheering for all of us and just bringing so much positive energy to set. So it was brilliant.
But thank you so much, Tanya, for
Thank
chatting
you.
with us. It was lovely, and
Thank
I
you.
wish you all the success for Kill and everything else ahead.
Thank you so much.
Thank
It was
you so
lovely,
much.
lovely talking to you.
Same yours.
Please like, share and subscribe to Instant Bollywood.